This is Jamie from Empowered Social Media. We're going to try to create a Instagram business page. So I clicked on my icon at the top. I scroll to the bottom, hit the create, and then create a new page. And I'm picking a username now. Now, sometimes you have to be very careful on how you type, and you can see this with me, that it's really easy to make errors in typing. So it's going to let you know with a check mark if it's available. If it is, then we hit next. Now I can choose to log in through a different page, and I'm going to choose to log in through Empowered Social Media. And so anyone who has access to Empowered Social Media Co. can log into GCC Disability Services. So I create sign up. Great. Now I'm going to add a photo. I had this prepared ahead of time. So as for you, you should have all of your bio. You should have your image, profile image, all prepared ahead of time. If it didn't orient properly, I could move it. But I like this, select it, and next. So remember login info. I'm going to hit remember so I don't have to log it in next time. Now it's going to pop up accounts that are follow accounts that other accounts I use are active in. If I wanted to, I could try to create some engagement for my page and follow other pages so they know that they can follow me back. Look at my content. Now this, I do not like. It is direct access to your contacts so that they can pull and give you suggestions. I say no on that personally. All right, so we got the page. We're going to our main menu. The three dots in the top right-hand corner is what we're going to select next. Settings, account, it's under ads, and then scroll down and switch to professional account. I hit continue, gives me some details, lets me know, reach more people, get new contact options. Now I'm going to type in what I think fits. So I'm hoping that disability services work. I'm taking my time, as you can see. And boom, it does work. And then I can display it on the profile so it'll let people know the industry I'm in as well. I click that to move it over to blue, hit OK at the bottom, and we're moving on. And in business, yes. So this defaults to Empowered Social Media email. And I'm getting out of this because in my Google Doc that I have, all my information is going to be here. So contact info. I double click, double tap, and then open it up, hit copy, get out, go into Instagram, paste. And then make sure that I don't have additional spaces because it's going to error if I do have additional spaces. All right, phone number, same thing. Copy. Paste. And then address. I'm going to manually type this in. It's 1 College Drive. City. I'm going to type in Greenfield. Boom. Second option, and then enter the zip code. Done. Awesome. Hit next. Oh, it looks like I made a mistake. I have one too many spaces in my, there we go. I'm just going to check to make sure there's nothing in there in the front or back. I'm going to hit done, and then I'm going to try next again. Excellent. So connect your Facebook page to it. Now you do have to select the Facebook page. If you don't, like what I'm doing right here, it's going to pick one for you that it thinks is going to connect to it. So these are invite friends to the page. I'm moving on to that. Profile. I have to finish. So name, GCC Disability Services. Looking good. Website. I don't remember off the top of my head. So I'm going over. I'm going to grab it. Excellent. Make sure there's no extra spaces. And then bio. So for them, they created this. I'm going to take their primary objective. I'm going to drop that in the bio section. And then make a couple little changes in here. I'm going to throw some emojis. Green heart for GCC. And then I'm reading through to see if there's any other things I could possibly put in here for emojis to break up the content. And achievement. There's a place I can do that. I could also drop in hashtag disability services in that to make it more indexable. Awesome. Congratulations. Profile is complete. This is what the page looks like. There's a plus symbol down, so you're ready to... this is a page. I do want to recognize that I connected to the wrong page. So I'm scrolling down, finding the right page to connect to. All right, so this looks like it says it's still connected to the wrong page. It's just because it needs to be refreshed. So I just went and checked. It's right page. I'm just going to hit the done. I'm going to go back in to profile. And then boom, it's got the right one. I'm going to click in, make sure everything's right. And then display contact info. Absolutely. I want people to be able to reach out to us. Add that, hit done. Perfect. So this is our basic setup that we have for the business page. If you want to post, click the plus sign. We can select an image, something in here. I'll actually show you when to do it. All right, hit the next. I want to tag Greenfield Community College in this. So I just click the tag button. Now I'm going to put a location. I'm going Greenfield, Massachusetts, boom. This is where my copywriting would go. And then because of spacing, because everything will get crunched, I'm going to do period. Attempt to do a second period, third period, and then boom. This is where we'd put in our hashtags. If I could spell hashtags. Hashtags are here. All right, well, that's it. Hey, thank you for watching the video on how to create an Instagram business account. One thing that I did not cover in the video is if you're adding a password to it, you just have to go into your settings. You hit that 3 lines in the top right-hand corner. You hit your security and then create password. You're gonna put it in there and make sure you put it down somewhere because a lot of people forget their passwords. So write it down. Awesome, that's it. Check out the rest of our content. Have a great day.